Good morning, parents and my dear students. Welcome to Standard 3 Mental Math class. Today, we are going to do mixed questions. So, let's begin with question number 1. If tomorrow is Sunday, what day was it yesterday? The question is, if tomorrow is Sunday, what day was it yesterday? So, today is Saturday. So, yesterday was Friday. Arrange from smallest to largest. 800 gram, 3 kg, 4000 gram, 6 kg. 800 gram, 3 kg. 3 kg means 3000 gram. 4000 gram, 6 kg means 6000 gram. So the smallest is 800 gram, then 3 kg, 4000, then is 6 kg. Half a dozen is. Half a dozen is how much, children? I have pencils here. Now let's count and see how many pencils I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 pencils make 1 dozen. Our question is half a dozen. So what is half of 12? Let's take away 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many pencils are left, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half a dozen is 6. Write the amount in words. Rupees 230 paise. Dhoni scored half a century. How many runs did he make? 1 century is 100. So Dhoni made half a century. Half of 100 is 50. So how many runs he made? 50 runs. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. Out of 3 weeks, a child studies for 15 days. How many days he did not study? 3 weeks means 21 days. So 21 days a child studies for 15 days. He studies only for 15 days in 21 days. So how many days he did not study? Subtract 15 from 21. Answer is 6 days. Write the best measurement for a length of a ribbon is measured in meters. Weight of a human body is measured in kilograms. Question number 9. Observe the pattern and continue it. 28, 27, 26, 25. We are subtracting 1. 24, 23, 22, 21. 26 elephants have dash ears. 1 elephant has 2 ears. So 26 elephants, 26 multiplied by 2 is 52. 3 decades plus 3 years is dash years. 1 decade is 10. So 3 decades 30. 30 plus 3 is 33 years. A rectangle has 4 equal sides. Is it true or false? It's false. A rectangle has opposite sides equal, not all 4 sides equal. A circle has dash corners and dash sides. I have a bangle with me. It is a circle. It has no sides and it has no corners. So, a circle has 0 corners and 0 sides. Which numbers 323 or 328 is closer to 330? Which from among these two, which is more closer to 330? It is 328. How many months of the year begins with M? How many months? It's March and May. In a garden, there are 136 herbs, 164 shrubs, and 200 trees. What is the total number of plants in the garden? So, let's see 136 herbs, 164 trees, and 200. Let's count. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry over 1. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, there are 500 plants. Question number 17. To convert kilometer and meter into meters, we divide or multiply? We multiply the kilometer by 1000 and add the meters. Tick which does not belong to the pattern. Let's see the pattern. A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E. There are 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. This is 10, 15, 19, 25. So, this is incorrect pattern. So, this one is wrong. This does not belong to the pattern. Observe the pattern and write the next 3 numbers of the pattern. 9A, then 11B, 13C, 15D. So, we are leaving 1. 9, 10 is not there, 11, 12 is not there, 13, 14 is not there, 15. So, now 17E, 19F, 21G. Write true or false. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 40 is equal to 4. So, is it correct? No. This is false. V, L and D cannot be repeated. True. So, now students, the worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly go through it and study well. Thank you.